Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming eligibility and assembling core documents. This speeds everything up. Start an online account with the tax authority or locate the paper application. You need your tax ID, recent return, and proof of payment. Once done, check for any outstanding assessments, clear or arrange payment plans before applying. Make sure contact details match filings because mismatches cause delays. Finally, prepare digital scans, signed returns, receipts, and ID so you can upload them in one session. Now you complete and submit the application. Carefully enter taxpayer names, tax ID, period requested, and the exact certificate type. Errors force rework. Upload clear scans of returns, receipts, and photo ID. Label files with dates for reviewers. Pay the processing fee or attach proof of an existing payment plan so processing won't stall. After submission, note the reference number and expected processing window. You'll use that to track status and respond quickly to any follow-up requests. Finally, monitor the portal or your email for approval and the download link. Once approved, download the certified document and save both digital and printed copies. Note any expiry or renewal requirements. If the application is queried or rejected, read the explanation immediately, correct the specific documents, and resubmit. Don't resend unchanged files. One key troubleshooting tip: if processing stalls beyond the stated window, call the tax office with your reference number. Escalating politely usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.